Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Acrobat failed to load core dynamic line library. This error may occur due to missing or corrupted dynamic link library files, incorrect file path, version mismatch, or inadequate permission. Here from the Adobe's community help adobe.com, you can try to repair the installation. You can repair the installation to replace any missing or corrupt files. So you can select three stripe in the page of the Acrobat. Repair installation in dialog that appears and select yes. Go to Windows Control Panel, Program Feature, select Adobe Acrobat from the list and select Repair. Then you can disable protected mode. You can launch Adobe Acrobat or the Acrobat Reader and select Restart to go to the preferences. Here you can try to uncheck enable protected mode at startup and select OK. And of course you can try to verify location on installed application and try to uninstall, then reinstall the Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Acrobat Reader. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click this button below. See you.